Airplane. Airplanes carry people and goods to places all over the world. Helicopter. Helicopters are used for travel, rescue, and carrying supplies. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloons are used for sightseeing high above the ground. Glider. Gliders are used for sport flying and enjoying quiet trips in the air. Blimp. Blimps are used for advertising and watching events from the sky. Paraglider. Paragliders are used for fun flying and exploring the skies. Drone. Drones are used for filming, delivering packages, and exploring. Jet fighter. Jet fighters are used by the Air Force to protect a country. Seaplane. Seaplanes are used to travel to places with the lakes or oceans. Hang glider. Hang gliders are used for sport and adventure flying. Space shuttle. Space shuttles are used to travel into space and back to Earth. Gyrocopter. Gyrocopters are used for short trips and aerial sightseeing. Cargo plane. Cargo planes are used to carry heavy goods across the world. Air ambulance. Air ambulances are used to take sick people quickly to hospitals. Stealth bomber. Stealth bombers are used by the military for special missions. Fighter jet trainer. Fighter jet trainers are used to teach pilots how to fly jets. Hovercraft. Hovercraft are used to travel over both land and water. Flying car. Flying cars used for driving on roads and flying in the air. Ultralight aircraft. Ultralight aircrafts are used for short and light air trips. Airship zeppelin. Airship zeppelins are used for tourism and aerial observation. Thanks for watching. For more interesting like this, subscribe Kids Chain Diary.